21 or 22? 22, I think. Of traveling through Norway, Sweden and Denmark on my Norden. Today I'm waking up in Senja in northern Norway, and look at this weather and look at this view. It is right now about 20 degrees outside, which is just outstanding for northern Norway. There's really no place as beautiful as northern Norway as long as the weather is okay. The plan for today, we're going to explore some more of Senja, which is an island right north of Lofoten. And after that we're starting to head towards Tromsø, and then I'll check out the area around Tromsø too. So yeah, that is the plan for today. Visor. I'll have to take it off just to see anything. It's narrow, it's wet, it can be slippery, but yeah, it's alright. Those mountains. Wow.
Senja is located in the northernmost Norwegian county, Troms og Finnmark. Encompassing almost 75,000 square kilometers, this county shares borders with Sweden, Finland and Russia to the northeast, while being embraced by the Barents Sea to the north and the Norwegian Sea to the west. In spite of its extensive scope, Troms og Finnmark stands as the country's least populated county, accommodating under 250,000 residents. That's less than 3 individuals per square kilometer. In other words, you'll find yourself riding alone on the roads a lot of the time. Riding a motorcycle under the sun in this part of Norway has to be one of the finest experiences you can have on 2 wheels. Here, where the mountains meets the sea, where the fresh wind carries the scent of the Arctic Ocean, where every twist and turn of the road unveils a new masterpiece of the nature, from serene fishing villages to rugged cliffs, the experience is nothing short of breathtaking, and I won't ever stop wanting to come back.
Reduced lighting in the tunnel. No shit. So this is a little fishing village called Nefjordvær. It's a little detour from the main road, but oh my gosh, is it pretty. I checked and it's about 170 residents here in this little village, and that's it. Really nice. Imagine living here with this view, huh? Oh, it's stunning. I bet it's quite rough in the winter too. Nice. Oh, this could easily be very slippery. It's like super fine sand out in the edges. And then it mixes up with a little bit of water in the middle, and it'll just turn into a slippery slope. So be careful inside of these tunnels. You never know what's waiting for you. Alright guys, the part that I'm riding now, I will be backtracking in not very long. I want to make a detour and check out a valley that's supposed to be really nice. I think it's called Wonderland or something like that. I think it says on the sign coming up here maybe. Yeah, Wonderland. I think it's only about 30-40 minutes detour. I don't think I'm going to go all the way down to the fjord, but we'll see. Then I'll go back and then I'll go into a little city called Finnsnes, which is just like right across the fjord here, to like 10 minutes away, because I really need a new sleeping mat. The one I had, I've repaired it 3 times now, but it keeps getting leaks. So that's the plan for now. Typical me, I made a wrong turn. Should have followed GPS and not the signs. I'm all the way down here and I'm supposed to be all the way up here. That's pretty stupid. Okay. Do I go all the way back and then could cross here, but then no. I think I'll go into Finnsnes and find a sleeping mat, and then I'll see what I do from there. Okay, let's turn around. So this is where I made a wrong turn. I was supposed to continue straight forward, not take a left. Oh well. We've had a lot of beauty today, and I don't think it's done quite yet. But first, let me get a proper sleeping mat so I don't have to wake up on the hard ground tomorrow morning as well. Now there's Finnsnes, you can see down on the right side here. I'm curious, do you think I will be able to find the sporting goods store? The store where I'm getting the sleeping mat. Do you think I'll be able to find it without navigation? I'm gonna try. Can't be that hard, it's not that big. I think it should be on the right side here somewhere. Not here. Oh, is this like a dead end or something? Okay, this isn't right. Here? No. Let's turn around. Has to be somewhere here. Where is it? Alright, I am too warm for this game. I need to check the map. Here we are. Drove straight past it. Shocker. Mission accomplished. Alright, I found a camping that's about an hour away, so that's our next destination. You'll be riding just like in a forest for a while and suddenly it just opens up. It's fantastic. Now I am on E6, which is like the main vessel going through entire Norway. And I think right now I am going off it because there's a little camping somewhere in the woods here that I'm going to check out. Alright, it's actually really nice and quiet here. And I can park just by the water. It's only 6:30 or almost 4:45. Some days are shorter, some days are longer. That's just how it is. Today I feel like I'm done now. I'd better have a longer evening and I kind of feel like taking a bath. Good evening, folks. It's time to take a look at the map to show you where I have been riding today. I am currently very much surrounded by mosquitoes and gnats climbing in my ears and face. So let's just do this quickly, shall we? I've been sitting out here just enjoying the midnight sun a little bit. It's not midnight sun yet because it's only about 10:30 or almost 11, I think, in the evening. Anyway, what I was saying. Oh, my new sleeping mat is working quite well. It is quite a bit thicker and the material is also a little bit more solid. It's not insulated like the last one was. The last one had the R value of I think 4.2. This one has
2 or something. Like there's nothing really in there, but for summer that's just fine. So yeah, let's hope this one holds up a little bit better. And it also fitted really nicely in this chair thing I have, so it's a plus point. Okay, back to the core of this video once again. Alright, so last night I slept right here on Senja. This right here is the island. I slept there. This morning I started making my way around the coastline of it and took a detour out somewhere around here. I think it's approximately there. Continued all the way around, and this is the detour I made that was wrong, that I was supposed to go up here instead, but I did this one. Went back to Finnsnes, that's where I got the sleeping mats, and then continued down here, did E6 for a little while. As you can see, E6 runs like all the way to the top and all the way to the bottom, goes all the way down to Oslo. And right now I am approximately here. So the plan for tomorrow is to continue into Tromsø, which is not very far at all. And then, because I have an appointment, or I have an agreement with the local Husqvarna / KM workshop, that they will take a look at the bike and the ABS sensor and all that stuff and try to figure out what's going on. So I'll contact them in the morning to let them know that I'm close by. They just said, just drop by when you're here and we'll help you. I guess that's... I almost feel bad like doing that kind of stuff, because I don't know if it partly has to do with the fact that I'm an ambassador. I feel like I'm so privileged, and it's good for me, but then again I feel like, I don't know, I feel bad for others who's not as privileged, I guess. But yeah, anyway, very grateful that they are able to help me on short notice. So yeah, that's what I'll do tomorrow. Tomorrow is Wednesday, and then I'll probably just work a little bit and continue editing. And then on Thursday my boyfriend arrives, that I said already, and we will be spending the weekend together in Tromsø, just exploring the area and being a little bit of a tourist, and yeah, just hang out and chill. I haven't seen him in a month, so that will be nice. And then I continue again the trip on Monday, and when that time comes I'll just have to see what the weather is like, I think, because the weather next week is supposed to be great. And this kind of weather is not normal up here. So if that continues, it would be stupid of me to not explore more of Finnmark. I've only been up here once and it was pretty shitty weather, so it was pretty much just, yeah, it was a quick affair, just going up North Cape and then going back down, because the weather was not good and very windy and very cold. So it would be cool if the weather holds up to actually explore a little bit more of this area as well. I can't believe I've been on a road for almost a month and I'm still in Norway. Like, what? This is going to take some time. We'll see about the other two countries though. I saw someone commented that it was a pity that I did Norway first, because now Sweden and Denmark is going to be disappointing, but I guess that's... I'm looking forward to Sweden, because that's when I'll do a bit of Tansura trail and gravel riding for the pretty much first time with this bike. So I'm looking forward to that experience. But I'm well aware that like the nature is not going to be the same kind of pretty as Norway is. It's a different kind of pretty. A lot more forests and mosquitoes and yeah. I think it's going to be great. Denmark as well is also very different from both. Oh my god, there's so many mosquitoes. From both Norway and then Norway and Sweden. I think, yeah, I think I'm done now. My head is all over the place, just like the mosquitoes are. So I think I'll say, thank you for tonight. Thank you for watching this episode. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope I'll see you again for the next. Good night and take care.